Welcome everyone to our Lean channel. Today we will continue exploring clause 4.4 of ISO 9001:2015 standard. We will talk about addressing the risks and opportunities. Before we start, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, not to miss our new videos. I also invite you to stay to the end, as I will show you a link to a cool SWOT analysis table that will save you time in developing your own. The first two videos on element 4.4 talked about 5 elements of a quality management system and process interactions. If you missed those clips, find the links below to catch up. Now it is time to move on and discuss how we can document risks and opportunities. But where do the risks and opportunities come from? The answer is simple. Your risks and opportunities come from the context of your organization. One of my earlier videos talked in detail about a Lean Context Matrix. You may find the link below to check it out. Just a brief recap of the Context Matrix concept. Per the requirements of the standard, we identified our interested parties and issues. These include owners, employees, customers, suppliers, and others. Then we determine the needs, expectations, and concerns of our interested parties. For example, owners expect a return on investment, business continuity, growth in new markets, and others. We also showed the source of these needs and indicated if these needs and issues are internal or external. For the owners, all their needs come from the mission statement, and owners are both internal and external. The next column is SWOT, and this is what we need to discuss risks and opportunities. SWOT stands for Strengths, Weaknesses, Opportunities, and Threats. Many businesses frequently use this tool to identify risks and opportunities. Let's look at this example of the owner's needs for return on investment. The strength is consistent good performance. The weakness is identified as the lack of a robust disaster recovery program. As one of the opportunities, we plan to explore lean manufacturing, and our threat is emerging new technology. In this example, we cover the application of all 4 elements of SWOT: strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. But the beauty of this tool is that you do not have to use every one of 4 elements in all cases. You may use just what is indicative of the state of an issue. For example, line 112, Business Continuity Management, shows only strength, which is consistent historical performance, while line 113, Identification of New Markets, was found to be an opportunity. This concludes our third video on clause 4.4. Do not forget to check the link below to download your copy of our Lean Context Matrix on our Academy page. So far we have covered the 5-level management system structure, process interactions, and risks and opportunities. In the following video, we will talk about the resources and responsibilities required for the QMS. If you have any questions or thoughts on element 4.4, please post them in the comments. I will be happy to discuss. Please give us a like to help promote our Lean project. Thanks for watching. I'm Mark Kaganov. To learn more about Lean ISO management systems, check out my book, The Lean Revolution. You may find a link to it on Amazon below. Stay tuned for our following videos, and I hope to see you then.